Okay, today we're going to be working on the 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe.
We're going to remove the windshield wipers and replace them with the new. What I find, instead of leaning over the car, or truck in this case, that a lot of times it's easier just to hop in the vehicle and turn the windshield wipers to the on position, let the wipers come up to the top, and then we shut it off. I'll show you what I mean. And then just shut the key off, and then the windshield wipers stop in the up position. And you just take the wiper arm off the window. You have a little clip right underneath here. You just push that clip. Let me see. Push that clip in, and you pull the blade. Try it this way. Push it in, and you pull the blade down while pushing that clip in, and it comes right off. And you can take it out. And to replace it with the new one, you pretty much just put the blade over the top, bring it up like that, turn it, lift it, and it goes right into place, and you'll feel it snap right into position. Right? That's the one. Same thing on this one here. Lift it off the window. That small tab underneath here. You just push that tab in. Push the tab in, and you pull it down, and it comes right off like that, and you just take it off, and you put the new one on. Just the way you took it off. Put it on over the top of it. Slide it up, turn it, push it in, you'll hear it snap in place. Put it down, and you're all set.
As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.